Question number third. Question number third is verify that minus x equal to x for first number x equal to 11 upon 15 and x equal to minus 13 by 17. First point x equal to 11 by 15. X equal to 11 by 15. X equal to 11 by 15. Then the additive inverse of x equal to, then the additive inverse of both side is minus x equal to minus 11 by 15. Minus x equal to minus 11 by 15. Minus x equal to minus 11 by 50. And the value of x is given as 12. X is given as 11 by 15. Put the value of minus x and x in the equation number minus x equal to x. Then the value is minus, and the value of minus x equal to minus 11 by 15. Minus 11 by 15 equal to, put the value of x 11 by 15 minus multiply minus plus 11 by 15. 11 by 15 equal to 11 by 15. Then LHS, left hand side, is equal to RHS, right hand side. So it is proved as minus x equal to x. And second position is the value of x is given as minus 13 upon 17. The additive inverse of both sides is minus x equal to minus 13 upon 17. Only sign is changed, okay? Then minus x equal to minus plus 13 upon 17. Put the value of minus x and x in this equation. This equation is minus x equal to x. Then LHS, put the value minus x, so minus, put the value of minus x is 13 upon 17 equal to value of x equal to minus 13 upon 17. Minus 13 upon 17 is that minus plus minus 13 upon 17 equal to minus 13 upon 17. LHS equal to RHS, so it is proved as minus x equal to x. Okay. Question number 4. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First question. Question first, minus 13. Second questions, minus 13 upon 19. Third questions. Third questions is 1 upon 5. And fourth questions is minus 5 upon 8 multiply minus 3 upon 7. And fifth question is minus 1 multiply minus 2 by 5. And sixth question is minus 1. Then the first question, we will be solve the first question. First question is minus 13. Minus 13 multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is the minus 13. The multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 upon 13. Minus 1 upon 13. Minus 1 upon 13. Minus 1 upon 13. Or 1 upon minus 13. 1 upon minus 13. Second question. Second question, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 upon 19. Second question, minus 13 upon 19. Multiplicative inverse of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of minus 13 upon minus 13 upon 19 is numerator is change in denominator and denominator in change on the place of numerator. Then the value is 19 upon minus 13. 19 upon minus 13 and multiply minus sign of both sides. Then the value is minus 19 upon 13. Minus 19 upon 13. And third number question. Next question, third number question. 1 upon 5. Multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 5 is multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 5 is 5. Fourth question. Minus 5 upon 8 multiply minus 3 upon 7. Then if we are multiply in the sign, but sign is both, then the value minus plus, but plus will not be shown. And 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, and 7 8 ja 56, 7 8 ja 56. Then the multiplicative inverse of this value is multiplicative inverse of this value is 15 upon 56 upon 15. This is interchange the place value. This is the interchange of the place of this function. 15 upon 56. Then the 56 is go to the place of numerator and 15 is go to the place of denominator. Okay. This is the multiplicative inverse of this value. This is the multiplicative inverse of this value. And fifth question is minus 1 multiply minus 2 upon 3. Minus plus 2 and 2 upon 3. The multiplicative inverse of this value is the multiplicative inverse of this value is value is 2 upon 3, then 3 upon 2. And sixth question. The question 6 is minus 1. The question 6 is minus 1. The question 6 is minus 1. Then multiplicative inverse of this value is multiplicative inverse of this value is minus 1 upon 1 upon minus 1. Multiply both minus sign in numerator and denominator, then the plus minus 1 1 upon minus plus 1 1. But if any number is divided by 1, then this number cannot be changes. Okay? Then 1 upon 1 is 1, sign is minus. This is the answer. Okay? And question number 5. Question number 5 is name the property under multiplication. Name the property under multiplication. Used in each of the following. First question is minus 4 upon 5 multiply 1 equal to 1 multiply minus 4 upon 5 equal to 4 upon 5. In this question 1 is the multiplicative identity. In this question 1 is the multiplicative identity because we will be multiplying by 1, but value is not changes. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. So this value is minus 4 by 5. 1 is the multiplicative identity. And second questions minus 13 upon 17 multiply minus 2 upon 7 equal to minus 2 upon 7 multiply minus 13 upon 17. In this question, this only places is changes of this number. In this question, only places is change of the rational number. Places is change of the rational number. Here 13 upon 17 equal to minus 2 upon 7, but minus 2 upon 7 is go to front are first of the 13 upon 17, then the value is minus 2 upon 7 is shifted here left side of this value, then the value is minus 2 upon 7 equal to minus 13 upon 17. In this question commutativity. In this question commutativity. And third number question is minus 19 upon 29 multiply 29 upon minus 19 equal to 1. In this questions only multiplicative inverse is present because in this rational number numerator is 19 and denominator is 29. But in this questions minus 19 is go to in denominator and 29 is go to in numerator, and the multiply of this function is equal to 1 because multiplicative inverse a upon b multiplicative inverse is b upon a, but multiplying of both, then the value is a upon b cross b upon a. B is cancelled out by b and a is cancelled out by a. The value is comes out of this function is 1. As So as this minus 19 upon 29 multiplied 29 upon minus 19, 29 is cancelled out by 10 to 9, 29, and minus 19 is cancelled out by 19. Then the value is comes to of this question is 1. So this is the function of multiplicative inverse. This is the property of multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. And the fourth question is not present. Only third question is in this questions. Okay, 5 questions. Okay, and 5 questions is solved out. And question number 6. Question number 6 is multiply 6 upon 13. Multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Then 6 upon 13 is multiplied by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Minus 7 upon 16. Solution. Minus 7 upon 16. Then the value is 6 upon 13 multiplied by reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is minus 16 upon 7. Then the value comes out plus minus 16 6 96. 16 6 96 and 13 7 91. 13 7 91. Tell what properties allowed. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Question number 7. Tell what property allows you to complete. Tell what properties allows you to compute. Answer. The question is 1 upon 3 multiply 6 multiply 4 upon 3 as 1 upon 3 multiply 6. 1 upon 3 multiply 6 bracket close multiply 4 upon 3. This is associativity. The property is associativity. Question number 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8. Why or why not? Why not? Answer. If it is the multiplicative inverse, then the product should be 1. If it is the solution. If it is the multiplicative inverse, then the product should be 1. Then the product should be 1. Then the product should be 1. However, here the product is not 1. However, here the product is not one as 8 upon 9 multiply minus 1 upon 8. The value is 8 upon 9 and the value is 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 9 upon 8, 9 upon 8, 8 1 ja 8 and 9 upon 8, 9 upon 8 in minus. 8 is cancelled out by 8 and 9 is cancelled out by 9, but sign is minus 1. But sign is minus 1 because this is the minus, so minus 1 not is equal to 1. So this value, so 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse of minus 1 upon 8. Okay. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 3. Why or why not? Why not? Answer. 0.3 multiply 3 1 upon 3 equal to 0.3 multiply 3 3 is 9, 9 1 10, 10 upon 3, 10 upon 3 and this value is 0.3 is 3 by 10 because 0.3 is multiply both numerator and denominator. 1 multiply 10 and multiply 10, then the value is point is go from here and thus the value is 3 upon 10 1 is 10. So 0.3 equal to 3 upon 10. 0.3 equal to 3 upon 10 multiply 10 upon 3 multiply 10 upon 3. 10 is cancelled out by 10 and 3 is cancelled out by 3, then the value is present 1. So then the value is 1. So this is the multiplicative inverse. This is the, here the product is 1. Here the product is 1. Hence the product is 1. Hence the product is 1. Hence 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 3 1 upon 3. Okay. Question number 10. 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 What is saying question number 10? Right. First question. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Answer. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number. 0 is rational number, but its reciprocal is not defined. But its reciprocal is not defined. Second question. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. Answer. 1 and minus 1 are the rational numbers. 1 and minus 1 are the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocal. Third question is the rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Answer. 0 is the rational number. 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. That is equal to its negative. Question number 11. Question number 11. Fill in the blanks. First number. This is a question number 11. Fill in the blanks. First number 0 has reciprocal. And the second question is the numbers and are their own. Third number question. Their own reciprocals. Third number question is the reciprocal of minus 5 is. The reciprocal of minus 5 is. And this is the third question. Fourth question is reciprocal of 1 upon x. Reciprocal of 1 upon x where x not equal to 0 is. Fifth question. The product of two rational number is always the product of two rational number. The product of two rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is always the product of two rational number is always dot 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 dot. And the 6 questions. The reciprocal of positive rational number is the reciprocal of a positive rational number is number is dot dot. Okay. And first questions. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers. Second question, number dot dot and dot dot reciprocals their own. The second question is the numbers 1. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are the reciprocal their own. Third question, the reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 upon 5. And the fourth question, reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is not equal to x. And the rational number, the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Question number 6. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is a positive rational number. And exercise number 12. Exercise number 1.2 we will solve. Okay.